today I'm going to show you guys how to make a meatloaf. I'm using a loaf pan to make my meatloaf today. I just threw some water in the bottom of the pan and I'm going to spray it with some non-stick spray for easy release. A full list of ingredients and measurements are in the description below. I recommend when you're making a meatloaf to use your hands, get in there to kind of knead it like dough so you can get a good texture and a great form for it. And it's actually kind of hard doing it with one hand and trying to hold the camera with the other hand. It took longer than expected, but we got it right here. Here I am going to make a ketchup-based sauce topping for the meatloaf. I'm going to season with onion powder, granulated garlic, black pepper, kosher salt, and sugar in the raw. Once you have your ingredients in, you want to make sure you combine them well. So just stir them. Just stir it up. Stir it up. Little darling, stir it up. So yeah, y'all get it. Just mix it well. I'm sure you all have noticed that I changed pans. There's really no significance to me changing pans. I just did that so I can make sure I can get sauce on the side and I won't have to take it out of the pan and put it back in. So it's easier for me to sauce the sides. This is the beautiful end result, and it's very important to not be stingy with the sauce. Just put as much on it as you want so that it can create kind of like a crust. You want it to be nice and flavorful and fully coat the top of the loaf. Do here, just make it look a little pretty. Just sprinkle some parsley on top to make it look like a little something. But yeah, that's the meatloaf. It was great. You can serve it with mashed potatoes, or you can have rice, or with whatever or however you want to pair it with. Just do you. Thank you all for watching, and I hope this video was enjoyable.